Hi, good morning, everybody. Hope you had a wonderful spring break. I spent my spring break moving here to Virginia. We're all starting to get settled in our house. Um, but just wanted to give you an intro video to kind of get you started on how to do everything on the website and for today's lesson. So you should have gone to the class website. There's a tab that says Unit 10 2 sample tests / confidence intervals, which is the unit that we're going to be working on this week and beginning of next week. And then under that, we'll have lessons for every single day. So we're going to be starting today with March 18th. We're going to be doing some really awesome stuff in today's lesson. We're going to be learning how to do two sample proportion test and two sample proportion confidence intervals. Really, again, just kind of combining a lot of stuff we've already learned and just adding one or two more things to it. So the way that these lessons will be structured is you still have the same guided note sheet just like a regular class. And for all the example problems, I've recorded a video going through and explaining each problem. And for all the practice problems, for most of them, I have the answers as a link on the web page. And there's usually going to be one or two questions at the end of the lesson I don't have the answers to because I want you to figure them out. And you will have to go through and send those to me at the end of the class period. And all those deadlines and how to submit those materials are included on the website. So every time you come to class, you're going to get started. I'll probably put one or two multiple choice, review, do now problems. This is just to help us get prepared for the AP test. So log onto the website, start the do now problem. I will have a video explaining the answer on the website as well, but make sure you take the time to really try to do the problem on your own before you watch the video. And the video should just be there to help check to make sure that you got it correct. Then pretty much after that is the full lesson, similar to what we do in class, except instead of me teaching you the problems in person, I'll be teaching them on the videos. So just make sure that you download the guided notes, and then every time we do a problem on a video or you do a problem on your own, you do it on a separate sheet of paper, and at the end of class, you'll take pictures of all your note sheets and then email them to me, and then that's how you're going to get credit for your work for that class period. So make sure that you're writing down all the notes on a blank sheet of paper based off the guided note sheet that you download from the website, and you'll get your credit for the assignment for that class period. And again, I can't stress enough, just make sure that you go to the website. It has all the links there, right there for you. It has directions on when everything is due. As you can see on the website, all the practice problems for the notes that you wrote out for today's lesson, as well as homework problems 1 through 25, odds only, in the 10-1 section of your textbook. That's going to be due beginning of class on March 20th, which is going to be Wednesday. So make sure that you have all those materials emailed to me by the beginning of class. Again, just really want to stress, you want to take advantage of this time in class to get all the work, as much work done as you can. You're probably never going to get all the work done in class, especially with all the homework problems. But if you could get through all the notes, all the practice problems during class, then it's going to have a lot less time that you have to work on stuff at home. So make sure you're taking advantage of the time, get into class on time. So even though I'm not there, make sure you get in there 7:05, ready to go. Even if you get to class early, if the sub's there, you can take out your laptop and even get started early working on your assignments for the day. If you have any questions for right now, you can email me at my email address, which is on the website, andrew.johnson@mmps.org. If you have any questions about the problems or how to submit assignments or anything, just make sure that you keep up that communication with me via email for right now. And that's pretty much it. So just follow along on the website, and you're going to learn some great stuff about two sample proportion tests and confidence intervals.